first video of me holding the camera, doing my vlog the way I do with a Tech external mic. Welcome to my world. Me wearing a pair of glasses. Hard for me to see perfect vision like I used to have. 2020. I don't have a mini DSLR. I got an action camera, and that I am happy. It does a great job filming. We could talk about close-up shots. We could talk about infinity shots. We could talk about just about anything an action camera can do. Oh, I almost got up to the pirate ship. Almost. Ah. One thing I have to keep in mind when I use an external mic with the Osmo Action is remember to wait 5 seconds so I could talk. When I view what I see right now with my eyes is through a pair of glasses that changes the color just somewhat. So I don't know exactly the colors I'm seeing because of the glass. For us in the North American region right now, it's fall foliage. So we're going to see a lot of color. And that's where the Osmo Action 3 should shine. I like to go down over there and take some shots. If you ask me the distance from the daisies, I'm about 6 feet away. The water in the distance, to me, looks a little bit on the, how can I say it, green-brown side. I got the camera, again, for a number of reasons, for my personal reasons. I'm out here to help you to make a decision if the camera may be right or wrong for you. So don't hesitate to ask me those questions. Up ahead, I'll turn the camera panning around nice and slow, and you can see the color of the tree changed colors. You got red, you got orange, green, and so forth. We got a snake. It's got some colors. You decide if the colors is nice for you. It's not that bad. The turtle, green. I chose not to pass up my bargain. I paid under $100 for the DJI Osmo Action 3. I had funds that were not mine, so it was worth getting the purchase. I couldn't go anywhere else and get anything else with the points and gift card that I had. Yes, I could have put it towards a GoPro Hero 11, but I already got a 10, so there was no need for me to go get another GoPro. I skipped my first shutdown. Yes, indeed. I'm not sure if it was a low card, slow card, but I didn't want a module Action 2. What I was saying, I wanted the second generation Action camera, which I got. Going out of business. Nothing here. No Apple. No computers. Nothing. Gone. I don't know if they're closing up shop. The store is no longer going to be. So how am I going to return my Action 3? Oh, man. Now I went to go look for an inexpensive 2.4 wireless router, 2.4 gigahertz. And that just amazes me that the place looked like it was going out of business, not a computer, nothing. So I'm pretty happy with my decision, no matter what I chose. Well, it's not just all Best Buys. I've been to the Best Buy in Minneapolis, Minnesota, and sure enough, that was the main corp down there. I've been there and I've done that. All right, I feel looseness in this grip, the metal. I feel some looseness, jiggling in the magnetic grip. And that is not my imagination. I feel it, and I wonder if there is a way I can fix it. So I'm going to go stop, give it a little feel. I wonder if it's mine, but Everybody complained that it was a little loose. Definitely the magnetic mount is loose. So I am going to be contacting DJI. And how am I going to get a new one? And it ain't going to be through them underneath their limited warranty repair. I don't think that wiggle is going to bother me that much because I don't just lock it on the bicycle. But I am going to see if I could get another one just for me later on. I feel this is a great shot as the sun is towards 3 o'clock position. It is a full foliage shot. I don't know how far I'm going to go until this floor gets wet. Oh yeah! I don't want to ruin my bike or wash it, but that's as far as I may go. Oh, I am daring. Yes, indeed. Oh, yeah. To the water I go. There's a lot of history right over here. And there is some history that you see beyond in the distance. Mayor Giuliani has created that area that you can now walk and go around. I have landed on that island in the distance with my DJI drone. I had to go there and retrieve it at one given time. I had to take a raft across to the island, and I found it just like I do love the Action 3 for a number of reasons, but I can't give any of those reasons right now. I like it for the reason of I could do my reviews without a headache and the external mic, and that is one good reason. I never tried out the HDR gamma to brighten up my scene, just some, because that gamma in the program was always making my videos look a little darker. I like the idea of having a front screen, and DJI was the first one to come out. Now they created a touch screen. Well, I don't have much use for a touch screen, but it's there if I want to use it. I like the old form factor. I like the round lens versus the square lens. I do like seeing hardware LED lights that are on the camera all around. The camera is supposed to have longer battery life. It's got 20% more than the GoPro. It's time to bike out single-handedly the way I came in. I'll try my best to follow the same tracks I went through. Oh, it's not going to be easy. Oh, yeah. Did I go this way? No, I didn't. Somebody else went that way. I'll go a different route for sure. You see darkness, brown with green, seaweed, a little bit of yellow, a little bit of no gold, a lot of green and sand color. I like the idea of quick start. It starts within a second and only after you use the camera within what, 5 minutes of mode on and then off. Well, right now this hasn't failed me. Using that quick start, the quick snap, it came on immediately. My other one, I had issues. It was a little slow, didn't come on, and came on fast. Now the good thing about the Osmo Action 1, it had that, almost the same speed. I like the old-fashioned door, the lift-up door, like the GoPro Hero 7. I don't like it like the Hero 9 and Hero 8 and Hero 10 and Hero 11. One door, everything's under. Now another thing I was about to say and I totally forgot, and I'll remember as soon as I stop the camera. I got my sounds on medium, and I have a little hard time of hearing, and I don't hear the beep, 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 the startup. Maybe because I'm using quick capture, or I don't have it on high, but when it shuts down, I do hear the beep and the shutdown and the standby. I feel if the little wiggleness is bothersome, nothing that a little bit of electrical tape, rubber tape, adhesive tape, a film cannot fix. I know, you know, we know. There may be something you like, dislike. And that's your opinion, your criticism to the channel. You could talk about on the comments down below about what do you like of the DJI Osmo Action 3 that I have. It's all up to you. You could tell me and I'll tell you, and I'll do those tests if I have the time and the patience to go through, sit down, and make a better video as I go along. Am I going to do a return? Well, I got to January 14th of 2020. That puts a big smile on my face. DJI ran all their tests. They given out a good camera, a perfect camera if asked. If I feel I want to return, exchange, warranty, that is all my decision. I should be pretty happy over the time comes, and before you know it, I'll forget and continue to use the camera to do my review. There's going to be good shots, bad shots, mediocre shots, shots that may not make sense, reviews, how-tos, whatnot. I got an action camera. I'm going to just enjoy the fun and have the fun sharing to the world with you.